Hi, I am Lillian and today I'm going to be showing you my worm farm. Worms love wriggling around in the soil, which lets more air and water get into it. Worms love eating our food scraps and their poo and wee is full of nutrients, which makes the soil nice and healthy. And all the fruit and veggies in our garden love it. Worms turn soil into super soil and they help us turn this into this. So, if you love gardening and blueberries, you should get a worm farm.
Top tip.
Did you know that worms have really small mouths? This means it takes them a while to munch through all that goodness in the compost in the soils. So, what can you do to help our wriggly friends when you're starting a worm farm? The answer is plenty. Check out this top tip. When feeding ingredients to your worm farm, take a look at how big they are. Some ingredients from your kitchen may be a little chunky and need some work. Check out this floppy old carrot here. It's going to need a bit of work. So I reckon chop it down to really small pieces so it's easier and quicker for your worms to digest. Oh, and don't forget to ask an adult first to help you break down the compost ingredients into smaller pieces. Aha, see? Easy. Perfect bite-sized pieces for your wriggly, squiggly worms. They're going to thank you for it.
Game changer.
Do you have a worm farm? Do worms get really warm on a sunny day? Then check out this game changer. Just like us, worms don't like it when it gets too warm. Instead, they like cool, wet places. So if you know a really sunny day is coming, give your worms an ice block. You can even make one by freezing a bottle of water. This way, you'll be protecting your worms from the heat and keeping them nice and cool. An ice block for your worm farm? It's a game changer.
Costas Hotline.
Oh, a call. This is Costas Hotline. If you grow it, I'll know it. How can I help you?
Hi, Costa. I have a weird question today. Do worms have eyes?
Oh, that's not a weird question at all, because actually, worms don't have eyes. Worms have something called light receptors, which help them sense when it's light or dark. That way, worms can tell if they're underground in the soil or above ground. Worms breathe through their skin, which means they like to keep nice and moist. So when their light receptors detect it's too bright, they wriggle back down into the soil so the sunlight doesn't dry their skin out. So as you can see, or not see in a worm's case, their light receptors are very important to detect where they are.
Wow, cool. Thanks, Costa.
No worries. There's so many cool facts out there, so keep digging deeper.
I will. Bye.
Thanks for calling Costa's Hotline. Bye.